Good afternoon, doing a quick walk around on this 2018 Subaru Crosstrek. Of course it is all-wheel drive. It's in really good shape, no major dings or scratches or anything like that. It's got some nice all-season tires on it with plenty of life on them. This one comes equipped with EyeSight as well, so it has like adaptive cruise control and collision alert, lane departure warning, all the nice safety features. Let's take a peek at the interior. It's got like a cool two-tone cloth interior. It's also got, it's missing one floor mat, the rubber floor mats, but the other seats have the rubber floor mats. It's in really good shape though. We got the Rockford Fosgate premium sound. Close that up. No. Alright. Turn down the music. So yeah, like I said, we have the adaptive cruise control, little paddle shifters in the back, stereo controls, Bluetooth controls. And this one's got 134K on it. There's the blind spot alert button. Let's throw it in reverse, get the backup cam going. Okay. Does have heated seats. Let's open this up. Should have the aux and the USB in there. Kind of hard to get the angle, but I think you see it. Oh, here's the like the collision alert and lane departure warning. All right, let's take a look in the trunk and then finally under the hood. Not much to see here, just the trunk. Everything looks good in here. 4-cylinder engine. Yeah, not much to say about this. Subaru, reliable all-wheel drive. That's pretty much their thing. So yeah, I hope this video helped out. Thanks for watching. Take care.